Hello, this video demonstrates how to rename the OFS server name. For example, here's the OFS server name, which is the ProgID. Let's say you wanted something else. You wanted to give it your own customized name. How do you do that? Well, it's done through the registry editor tool. So if we launch the registry editor, it's on the HKey classes root. Then under Schneider, so let's scroll down to Schneider. And there it is. So Schneider-Aut.OFS. So right click, select rename. And you can give it whatever name you want. So I'll give it Schneider-Aut.OFS server plant 1. So Schneider-Aut.OFS server plant 1. So now when you launch again, and there's a new name, Schneider-Aut.OFS server plant 1. And that's the new name. So yeah, pretty straightforward. It's done through the registry editor tool. And yeah, well, thanks for watching.